for one, somebody come get me. This ghetto setup I got right here, my hair to be away and out of my face because this weather is horrible. So I'm tired of doing my hair. I feel like I need to gain some length back into my hair. So I wanted to leave my hair alone, just throw it up in some braids. And this is what it's looking like. I did curl the ends, as you can see. Hey y'all, so let me put this up. What's up y'all? So back with the end of this video. I wanted to show you guys my hair now that it is completely done. As you can see in that video, I was struggling. Like, I was struggling. I give it out to all of those girls that could like film and do their hair at the same time. So this is what my hair looks like. It's not as bad as I thought it was looking. I felt like it looks so like ratchet, but it doesn't look that bad. And this one just doesn't want to curl. Yeah, so it doesn't look that bad, but I don't know. I'm still getting used to it. I'm here to be away and out of my face because this weather is horrible. So I'm tired of doing my hair. I feel like I need to gain some length back into my hair. So I wanted to leave my hair alone, just throw it up in some braids. And this is what it's looking like. I did curl the ends, as you can see. I'm gonna curl. And I think that's because I dipped it already and then I dipped it again. I tried to, and look at that. This limp curl, like. But other than that, this came out cute. Like, this is the ends. I think I like it more now that I have like a look together, and now that like the ends are curled, because I didn't do last night. I didn't curl the ends. I didn't want to go to sleep with wet hair. And my battery is about to die, so I'm gonna have to talk to you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't like the best tutorial in the world, but I did want to show you guys what I did myself, and I did my hair. So like I said, it didn't come out too bad. I like it a little bit more now that it has the curly ends and the whole look is together as well. And how I got this color. There will be doing a giveaway for that video soon because it already hit 11,000. Like, 11,000 on the video. I never thought I would have, but I do, and I'm kind of excited about it. So I will see you guys back in my next video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave it down below in the comment section. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and peace out.